In 2025, I shot with more than 30 point and shoot film cameras. And here are my top 5. Stick around because the number 1 spot might actually surprise you. At number 5, the Yashica Zoom Teddy. A super underrated zoom compact that delivers consistently clean, balanced shots. At number 4, the Olympus F10 Super. Reliable and sharper than you'd expect for a budget-friendly Olympus. At number 3, the Konica EU Mini, the cheapest on this list. And honestly the camera that surprised me the most with its fun colors and compact feel. At number 2, the iconic Olympus MJU2. A classic for a reason, fast lens, snappy autofocus, and the pocket's eyes that just works anywhere. And number 1, the Minolta EvaZoom 70W. Arguably, the sexiest point and shoot I've ever seen and used, and the images truly backed it up. Like and subscribe for more 35mm film content. And tell me your favorite point and shoot in the comments.